Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to work on the next problem, Java Anagrams. So this video is in continuation with the already ongoing series of HackerRank Java problems, where we have already covered introduction section, and right now we are working on string domain. So before we jump on to the solution, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and let's see what it says. So anagrams is like a really common problem where we just have to check for the equality of two strings, and when we say equality, it means that they should contain all same characters in the same frequencies, like cat and act are same, right? So just like that we have to solve it, but there is one problem that we cannot import much, and we just have to return the boolean value. Depending on that, HackerRank is going to print anagram or not anagram. So first I will tell two solutions where we have to we don't have to import, but without importing we cannot work on that. Like, we cannot import maps here, we cannot import arrays here, right? So we will do java.util.arrays and java.util.maps, and then there is this third solution where we don't have to do anything and it is much more time efficient, right? So let's see all the three solution one by one. So first we will cover the array solution. So we have two string a and b, so we don't have to check for the equality first. If the length of the two string is not same, that means that they should not proceed ahead, right? So if the length is not same, then we can just return false. Otherwise we have to use arrays.sort function, which is ultimately going to sort cat to act in an alphabetical order. So we have to do something like that, but we cannot use arrays.sort until we use something like this, right? So to sort, we cannot do it via string. We first have to convert it to an array. So we will create two array 1, it will be of string a. But before we do that, if you see one test case here, hello and hello, they both are anagrams, because in this problem we have to consider case insensitive anagrams also. So that's why we either have to convert a to lowercase or to uppercase. Like, both of these should be in same alphabetical sense, like either they all should be in lowercase or in uppercase. So I'll just convert first a to lowercase, and then I will convert it to array, and similarly I'll do the same thing for the second string. So I'll do b.to lowercase to array and then array2. Now I can sort them out using array1, and similarly I'll do array2, right? Now what we can do is we can check for the equality. So I'll just return string dot value of array1 dot equals string dot value of. So here I'm just converting array back to string. So let me summarize what I have done. I have converted this string to array by first converting it to lowercase. I forgot brackets here, right? Same I did for the second string. Then I sort them out alphabetically, and then I'm converting it back to string so that I can use the equals method. So if I try to run this code, it should work fine. Okay, compilation error because I forgot s here. Okay, there is one more method, arrays.equals, that you can also try. So see, this is working. Now coming back to the second solution, which is map. So here I will create two map, character integer map1, and here also I have to do java.util dot. So similarly I'll create one more map. So what I'm doing is I am creating two maps for our two strings, and these two maps are going to contain a tabular structure, something like this, where it will contain a character and its frequency, and then I will compare both of these two map. So to fill it, I just have to iterate over my first string. So I'll just do char c, and then I'll convert my string to char array, and I'll just check if my map is containing the character already or not. So if it is containing the character already, I will just do put, and I will increment the count with 1. So I'll just do, so I'm here replacing the already created entry with +1 count. So I'll just do c, and then I will get the current count through this, and then I'll increment this. Else, if the map is not containing the character, I will just do c, 1 being the first count. And similarly I'll do the same thing for the second, but I forgot one here, 2 here, and b here. Okay, sounds good. So I have two array, so let me first show you what it contains. So I'll just do here system.out.println. I'll print map1 here, and I'll copy this line, paste it here, and I'll try to print map2. So if I run this code, obviously this is not going to work fine. Map1 is already created. Okay, so if you see here, it contains the frequency, right? So that looks good because we got the exact thing that we wanted. Now we just have to compare the maps. So we'll just do map1 dot equals map2, and we'll hit run. So it's not working fine because we forgot to remove these. Now it should work fine. Okay, one test case is failing because again I forgot to convert it back to lowercase, right? So when I'm getting the character, I can do one thing. First I can convert it to lowercase, or I can do the same thing for each character, but that will be pain. So I'll just do a equals to a dot to lowercase, and here also to lowercase, and let's see. So it's working fine. Now let's come down to the most efficient approach. So if we just iterate over our first string from index 0, let's say b or a, whatever you wanna iterate over, that's okay. So when you iterate over the string, you get the character using char c equals to a dot caret I. By this you will get each character. Now you just have to find if b string is containing that character or not. If it is containing the character, then it will give you an index, like where it found. When we get that index, we will check. If it is not able to find that character, it will give us -1. we can break this loop in that case, right? Otherwise we will continue. So what we will do is, we don't want the same character to be found again and again, because if we have CAAT and the second string is ACAT, here A is repeated twice, right? So if we are iterating over second string here B, then the first character is A. So A is at this one also and this one also. So if we don't try to iterate over the same character again, it will work fine, but otherwise it will check for this A for this one and this one, which is going to be problematic. So what I will do is, I will remove that character from the string after it got found in the second one. So what I will do is, I'll just do A equals to A dot substring, and here I will do 0 to the index that I found this, and then I'll just do A dot substring index, right? So with this I will be able to see the same, I will not be able to see the same character twice, right? So this is what I have to do. If everything is working fine, then we will just return true here. So let me summarize this. We iterated over our first string, we got the character, we check the character index. If it is -1, that means it was not able to find that that character, then we can just directly come out of the loop after returning false, and otherwise we will just remove that character from the string and we will do the iteration again, and if everything works fine, then we will return true. So let's try to run this code. So test case 1 is failing because it is printing anagrams. Okay, let me see. Okay, I think I'm making some mistake here, so let me try to print this also to see what went wrong. Let's run this code. Okay, so anagram. Okay, so mistake is that we are actually not deleting the index, because it should be index +1, right? Let's see. Now it is removing that. So let's see if it is working. Okay, again same mistake. Okay, so I think I forgot to make it compatible with either lowercase or uppercase, and that was my bad. Okay, so let's fix that. A dot to lowercase. Let's see. Index out of bound. Dot length at line 23. Okay, I'm just deleting the same character from the same string, which shouldn't be happening. So okay, let's see. Yeah, now it looks fine. Yep. Okay, sorry, that was my bad. And let's see if it is working. So what I was doing is, I was iterating over the same string, and then I was deleting the character from the same string, which we shouldn't do. We should do that from the second string, because that's where we are comparing it with. So let's see, let's try to submit this code. Okay, this is working fine. So that was it for this video. I hope I am able to give you something new. So if that was the case, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day and I will meet you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.